Welcome to today's review on Longer Ray5 0.06 by 0.06 mm precision laser engraver for acrylic, wood and metal. We are exploring its powerful engraving features and beginner-friendly design for creative users. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this laser engraving machine at the best price in the market. The laser engraver delivers ultra-fine precision engraving using advanced compression technology for detailed cutting on wood, acrylic, and metal surfaces. High-speed performance allows fast production, making it suitable for small business and creative makers who need efficiency. Built-in safety system includes emergency stop flame detection gyro sensor and automatic shutdown protection for user safety. 3.5-inch touchscreen provides simple control interface for beginners with easy navigation and clear display. It supports wide range of materials including wood, acrylic, leather, glass, paper, fabric, and coated metals. Compatible with laser GRBL and Lightburn software, providing flexible design control and smooth workflow operation for users. It offers Wi-Fi, USB, and SD card connectivity, enabling easy file transfer and remote machine operation. Rotary and extension module support allows engraving on curved objects like bottles, cups, and bats easily. Beginner-friendly design makes setup simple, helping new users start engraving without technical difficulty or confusion. High engraving speed supports batch production, making it ideal for small businesses and creators working efficiently. Overall, it provides strong precision and speed but requires learning time and practice for best results. It is suitable for small business owners looking to scale production with consistent engraving quality output. The machine offers stable performance during long sessions, ensuring consistent results for continuous engraving tasks. Users can operate multiple machines through Wi-Fi, improving workflow efficiency for larger production environments. Make sure to check the link in description for best available price and purchase options today. This engraving machine balances precision, speed, and safety, making it a reliable tool for creators and hobby users. It helps users bring creative ideas to life with detailed engraving across multiple materials and project types. The included safety features ensure peace of mind while maintaining high performance for professional-level output. Its multiple connectivity options improve workflow flexibility, allowing easy integration into different working setups. Rotary support expands creative possibilities, enabling engraving on cylindrical and irregular-shaped objects effectively. Software compatibility ensures smooth design transfer and execution, making engraving process more efficient overall. New users may require practice to master settings and achieve optimal engraving results over time. It delivers consistent engraving quality suitable for both personal projects and small commercial applications. High-speed operation increases productivity, allowing users to complete more work in less time. Choosing this laser engraver gives users a powerful tool for creativity, efficiency, and business growth potential. Do not miss the opportunity to get this machine through the link provided in description below. It stands out as a dependable engraving solution for both beginners and experienced creators alike. Strong build quality ensures durability while maintaining accurate and consistent engraving performance over long use. It simplifies creative workflows, making laser engraving accessible for a wide range of users. Overall, users will find it useful for engraving detailed designs on multiple materials while maintaining good speed, safety, and usability. Final recommendation is that this laser engraver is a strong choice for creators, small businesses, and DIY enthusiasts seeking precision, speed, and safety in one machine. Click the link in description to secure the best deal and start creating professional quality engravings with ease today, right away. Now, please now.